In this video, I'll show you how to fold your Uppababy Cruz V2. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to do it in less than 15 seconds. So the first step is to pull back this canopy all the way in. Then you need to make sure that the handlebar is pushed all the way in. So if it's like this, press the button and push it like that. Then on the frame, there's these two plastic pieces on both sides. You need to pull them back towards you, both at the same time, and push the frame towards the ground, like that. Then the stroller will stand on itself. To make it even more compact, you can retract the footrest by pressing these buttons on each side and bring it in this angle. You can then lift the whole stroller using the front handlebar and put it inside of your car. The wheels of the stroller are still spinning if you didn't apply the brake, so you can also glide it this way. Now, when the time comes to unfold your stroller, it's even easier to put it back together. There's a small plastic piece sticking out here of the frame. You just need to push it on it. It will unclip the whole stroller, and simply by lifting it, everything will click back in place. Now you can just put back the canopy, also adjust the footrest. You need to press on both sides, like that. You can also adjust your handlebar, and you're good to go. So overall, it's very easy, and again, with a bit of practice, it just takes a few seconds. So thanks for watching. If this video was useful, please leave a like, a comment down below, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.